This tutorial will show you how to make a reversible denim kepi hat by upcycling 2 pairs of jeans and combining them into one hat. You can download the free pattern for this by following the link in the description below and then following along with the step-by-step tutorial. To start with, you want to cut out one set of your pattern pieces out of each pair of jeans so that you'll have one set in each color. Next, you want to apply buckram or heavy interfacing to one set of the crown pieces, one top piece, and both brim pieces. With right sides together, so one set of crown pieces together to form a loop. Then you want to sew that to the top with right sides together. You can press the seam for a neater finish. Then you want to repeat that process with the other crown and top pieces. Then you want to get your brim pieces ready. With right sides together, sew the 2 brim pieces along the outer edge. Trim the seam and then turn the brim to the right side through the center. Then you'll want to top stitch along the outer edge for a neater finish. Sew the brim to one side of the hat with same colors together. Then you want to place the hat inside of the contrast layer and sew along the edge. Leave a gap so that you can turn it to the right side. After turning the hat to the right side, you want to fold over the inside and top stitch around the entire base of the hat for a neat finish. Now you'll be able to flip the hat back and forth for a reversible design. And that's it, you've finished. You have a new brimmed kepi hat that you can wear in 2 colors.